we go again! Hi, welcome! This time I'm reviewing cosplay of Misa Amane I bought off AliExpress. I'm gonna be completely honest, I hate Misa. I hate her personality, I hate her character. She's loud, she's obnoxious, and she's annoying. But she has a style. This gothic outfit had a place in my head for a while, and then I saw it on AliExpress for less than 20 euros, which is way less than the cost of the fabrics alone, not counting the time and nerves. So I ordered it, and I also ordered a wig. It's not from the same company, but it arrived together, which I was grateful for. The wig is very soft, has the right color, and also came pre-styled. It already had pigtails. Obviously, I had to modify it to suit me better and cut the bangs, but overall, I love it. For the dress, you get what you pay for, and for the 20 euros, it's great costume, but it obviously needs some alterations. I will talk more about the individual parts and their modifications later, but here's a slight overview what arrived. The costume consists of a choker, necklace, arm wrappers, tights, and the dress itself. It's on the cheaper side, but great start for modifications. The choker is made from the fake leather, probably, and it's way too long, so I have to shorten it. Tights and arm wrappers are made from some stretchy mesh fabric, I guess. I do not like those arm wrappers, they're just straight rectangles that are long, but they look very cheap. As you can see, the necklace is just a simple golden cross, which Misa's necklace looks way different. But I mean, hey, this one is stylish as well, and I matched it with earrings, so it looked consistent. And this is the scariest piece, the tights. It's not because they would be made poorly or cheaply, just the simple fact how they look is scary. And this is the main part of the costume that makes it look adult-like. You don't know how much brain power it cost me to figure out how to put them on. And now the main dress that is probably made from metal spandex. It is fully lined and has installed an invisible zipper. As you can see, the skirt edge is just a raw cut, and I know it won't fray, but I dislike the look of it. Same was done with the lace, however this time it's really hideous. Also, it obviously needs some steaming, which is my favorite activity with store-bought costumes, and that will come right after washing. And guess what? I washed it in hands to not damage it, and only black water came out of it. Well, accidental greatness, I guess. It helped a lot with the shine, so now the dress looks less cheaper. Hooray for me! And here you can take a look at the whole costume. And now is finally the time to talk about the modifications I made. I already mentioned before that the choker was too long for me, so I used pliers to remove the closure on one side, then I cut the fabric and inserted the closure back. Easy fix and a great effect. Wrappers were easy fix as well. I replaced them completely with a different pair I bought earlier. They are shorter, but the fabric is better and they have cute scallops on both ends. Since my 3D modeling skills are still almost non-existent, I left the necklace as it is and used this golden cross. It matched my earrings, so what more can I say? Tights are the main reason this costume looks adult-like. They would need proper buckles and straps to look better, because this is just a piece of fabric connecting the waist part and the rest of the tights. But I had no idea how to make it and not damage the tights, so they stayed like this. Since the wig was pre-styled, I thought I would only need to cut the bangs. But after that I discovered that I don't really like the styling of the sides. It was bulky and did not fit my face well. So I removed these hair fibers from the pigtails, so the pigtails were less full and that helped them as well. I also straightened the sides. Misa has red hair ties, so I was choosing between the ribbon and the crimson bias tape. I covered pieces of foam with it, but it was moving a lot, so in the end I bought red hair ties and wrapped them around the pigtails. And now the main course, the dress. I ordered M even though I am S because of Asian sizing. I was glad I did that because honestly, the skirt is way too short. Can't imagine smaller size. But I had my way around it. It was still too big in the top section, so here are my modifications. First things first, the corset part. I was thinking about cinching it here, and this idea heavily relied on the ribbon that was also in need of replacement, so I bought double-faced ribbon. However, the ribbon itself was not enough, and since this dress has an invisible zipper with lining, I didn't want to destroy it by ripping the seams open and then closing them. The idea itself hurts me even now. So I put the dress on, took an elastic and measured from one side seam to the other to discover the length I needed. Then I sewed it into the waist, and that distributed the additional length evenly, and the corset part was not so crumpled. I also made darts in the armpits to help me with the fit. And last but not least, the raw edges. I sewed bias tape around the skirt, and then I add leftover lace to the lace lining as well. I painted it first and then attached it to lining later. And with that, the dress looked awesome. These modifications really helped the dress to look 10 times better. And besides hair ties, I also bought fake nails and black diary. This is me replacing the old ribbon with the new double-faced one. And this is the end. I hope you liked this video and the final result, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!